How to let your clients create organizers. To save time, you or your clients could decide that they should be able to create and fill out organizers on their own based on templates that you make available for them. To allow them to create their own organizers, go to the Templates section, Firm Templates, and press the Organizers tab. You can enable them to access any of the templates you already have, get new ones from the marketplace, or create a new one from scratch. For this example, we will go with our client intake form. Open it, click the Setting button at the top right corner, and turn on the toggle for Organizer Self-Service. Once you do this and save the template, your clients can create new organizers. Now, let me show you how this works from the client portal. They'll go to the Organizers section and click the New Organizer button. This will lead them to the Creation page, where they can choose from the templates with the Organizer Self-Service toggle turned on. They can select the one we worked on earlier. Once they've created it, they can fill it out and submit it. On the firm side, the owner and team members responsible for this account will receive notifications about this in their inbox. Plus, you can find the Organizer answers in the Clients section, Organizer tab, and if any documents were uploaded, the Docs tab.